This week on Ask the Advisor 41, we'll break down 3 things that successful investors never ever do when they invest in the stock market. Hey everybody, I'm Mike Desepoli, and this is episode 41 of the Ask the Advisor show. Today we're going to break down 3 things that successful investors never ever do when they invest in the stock market. A lot of the times we're giving you tips and tricks on things that you should be doing with your money. So this week we thought we'd break down some things that you certainly should not be doing with your money. So let's get right to it. The first thing that successful investors never ever do is buy an investment without doing the necessary research first. Who wants to make a blind investment in a company that they know little or nothing about, that is doomed for failure? Successful investors know that investing takes work. There's some research, there's some time that needs to be put in on the front end to make sure you understand the companies that you're buying, the products that they sell, and most importantly, how they make money. If you don't understand those things, you should not be investing in a company. So, if you're going to buy a stock, a bond, a mutual fund, make sure you do your research first. Second thing that successful investors never ever do is they don't rely on just one investment. This is where diversification comes in. They believe in spreading their assets into different asset classes, into different investments to spread their risk out amongst those different investments. The way that I would compare this is if you go into a hotel lobby and you need to take an elevator to the 32nd floor, there's 2 elevators that you can choose from. Elevator A has 1 safety cable. Elevator B has 10 safety cables. Which one will you choose? Well, unless you're crazy, you're going to choose elevator B with 10 safety cables. Think of that as an investment portfolio. A portfolio with 1 investment is an elevator with 1 safety cable. I wouldn't ride that to the 2nd floor, let alone the 32nd floor. So, diversification is additional safety cables on your portfolio. Make sure you don't put all your eggs in one basket. And the third thing that successful investors never do is let the market ups and downs change or cause them to deviate from their strategy. They don't let one good day in the market or one bad day in the market make them forget their initial purpose, their initial goals, and why they set forth on this course in the first place. Try to tune out the noise. Don't focus on the day-to-day, especially if you're a long-term investor. Keep your eye on the prize. Focus on the long-term. Focus on whatever that goal is that you set out on the interim, and don't worry about what the market does day in and day out. And if you can, don't even check the markets. It'll be a lot easier for you. So don't ever deviate from your strategy just because one thing happened on any given day in the marketplace. So those are 3 things that successful investors never ever do in the market. For more information, you can visit us on the web. We hope you follow along with us and all the different social media channels that we have. Really excited about the content that we're putting out there, and we really hope you come along for the ride. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you back next week, episode 42.